Hello guys, we are going to learn motor starter today. Let's don't forget, my name is Sarumi Sodi from Scoop Tech, Electrical and Automation System. So today, under motor starter, we are going to study direct, let me call it DOL, which we call direct online motor starter. Now, when we are talking of direct online motor starter, like we said earlier on, it is what? It is one of the what? Control system used to start an electric motor, i.e. less than 3 kilowatts. Now, I will explain the component required. I'm going to list the component required for the direct online motor starter. Component required. Now, the first component required is your what? Is your contactor. So your contactor is the what? Is a switching device. The second component is called a circuit breaker. This is a protective device. Then number 3, we have the overload. Number 4, we have your fuse. Number 5, your push buttons. That is the start push button, the stop push button. I'm not going to show you the drawing. I'm going to show you how to draw the power circuit and the control circuit of a direct online motor starter. We should not forget that the essence of this class is for us to be able to know how to connect your cable to power an electric motor by pressing it on and off. So it's just like what I said before, that is a control system whereby when you what? If this is your push button, immediately you click your push button, your what? Your motor turns on. You understand? On. And when you also press another push button, your same motor turns what? Off. So I'm going to draw the power circuit now. That is an avenue that allows the power of the system. So if this is your phases that you tap from your power source, so you will first allow it to pass through your breaker so that you can use this to protect your equipment. So we should not forget, this is a circuit breaker. So from your circuit breaker, it comes into your what? To your contactor. This is the coil. This is the contact of the contactor, which is the 135, and you have 2, 4, 6. Then from your contactor, it comes through the what? To the overload, then to the what? To the motor. That's the first thing we need to understand. So, and I call this what? Power control circuit. This is your contactor. But this is the power contact of the contactor. This control now, the way it is when you control this coil that this contactor make or break. Making or breaking of the contactor is what we allow the flow of what? Of your power that is coming in from here to come out from here, because we assume this place to be your input to the contactor, while this one will be your output. But this will now be what is going to control it. That is why it's going to come here, and we're going to show it in the what? In the control circuit. So this is the way the control circuit will be. Let's say we tap from here now. We can tap from here. So, and it's also passed through what? Through another, let's say it passed through a fuse. Then we now pass it through another breaker. You understand? Then it passed through your what? Your stop button, which is normally closed. Stop button. Normally closed. Then it comes in to your what? start push button. This is start button, which is normally open. So before it now comes to this coil here, so this is now A2. So you now have this as your neutral. This will be your 220 volt, which is your A1. And as at this stage, if you press this switch, immediately you release your hand, the motor will stop. So as you are pressing the switch, you are making the contactor